Hello student, welcome to Ideal Science Katta YouTube channel. Rotational Dynamics lecture series part 8. Today we are going to start new point, that is vehicle at the top of a convex over bridge. So let's get started. Consider a car of mass m at the top of convex over bridge. This is, see in the figure, this is the convex bridge. This is the convex bridge, and over a convex bridge a car is there, and this car is moving along a convex bridge over a convex bridge. During its motion, that is a part of vertical circular motion, the car is passing over a convex bridge. This is nothing but a vertical circular motion, because if we complete that convex bridge, it will become a vertical circle, and car is at top point of vertical circle. So during its motion, that is circular motion, force acting on car R. Suppose this is a car and this car is at a top position of a convex bridge. So at a top position, forces acting on the car are: the first force is, this is the center of gravity point. From center of gravity, the first force is mg, which is acting vertically downward. Its weight mg acting vertically downward. This is the first force. Second, normal reaction n acting vertically upward. From center of gravity, the second force is acting vertically upward, called as normal reaction n. So basically two forces are acting on the car. First one is its weight mg acting vertically downward, and exactly opposite in vertically upward, that is normal reaction n. So two forces are there, and the direction of velocity is in the forward direction. Normal reaction n acts and its weight mg are exactly opposite of each other. This is the normal reaction and this is the weight mg. They are exactly opposite of each other. Let's see in next figure. Therefore, the difference between weight mg and normal reaction n provide centripetal force to a car for safety drive. Thus, if v is the velocity of car at point P, at top point, this is called as top point, so mg minus n equals to mv square upon r. So mg means weight and n means normal reaction. Mg minus n means the difference between weight and normal reaction. N provide centripetal force, and the formula of centripetal force is mv square upon r. So equation number first. From equation 1, it is clear that if the speed of car increases, then normal reaction n decreases. Thus, for maintaining contact with bridge, normal reaction n should be equals to 0 or approximately equals to 0, and maximum speed of car at the top point of the bridge must be under root rg. So Vmax is equal to under root rg at top point of convex bridge. So this is the expression for conditions for car over a convex bridge. So move on the. So next point is vehicle at the bottom of over a concave bridge. Consider a car over a concave bridge. So this is the car and this car is passing over a concave bridge. If the car at the bottom, then force acting on the car are, so this is the concave bridge and this is the bottom point of concave bridge. So if the car is at bottom of concave bridge, then force acting on car are, the first one is its weight mg acting vertically downward. Always remember that weight mg is always acting vertically downward. We also saw in last point. Next, normal reaction n is acting vertically upward. This is the normal reaction n which is acting vertically upward. So basically two forces are acting, its weight mg acting vertically downward. So this is mg acting vertically downward, and the second force is normal reaction N acting vertically upward. So from center of gravity, this is the second force, normal reaction N acting vertically upward. So two forces are acting on the car, and V is represent direction of velocity of car. So see the next. The difference between normal reaction N and its weight mg provide necessary centripetal force to a car for safely drive over a concave bridge. So N minus mg, difference of normal reaction and weights mg, that is N minus mg. N minus mg equals to centripetal force, and the formula of centripetal force is mv square upon r. So N minus mg is equal to mv square upon r, where V means velocity of car at the bottom of bridge. So N minus mg is equal to centripetal force, and the formula of centripetal force is mv square upon r. So see the next. From equation 1, it is clear that normal reaction is responsible for maintaining contact with the bridge. For safely driving of a car from the bottom of concave bridge, maximum speed of car must be equals to Vmax is equal to under root 5 rg. At the top point, speed is under root rg, and at the bottom point, speed is under root 5 rg. This point we already covered in our previous videos. Please see it. Thank you for watching video. For getting such new educational video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.